teenagers are currently making a doctor's yearly salary each month with the TikTok Creator Rewards Program, or as its previous name was, the TikTok Creativity Program Beta.
If you are a business owner and you want to use videos to get more traffic, leads, and sales, it's a good decision. Go ahead, make your videos, upload them on social media, you'll get noticed by your targeted audience, and you will eventually make money. But if you are looking for a shortcut that you will just make some videos using AI, 10 to 15 minutes of your time, upload them, TikTok creativity program or something like that, then this video is apparently for you. As usual, I have already done my homework before making this video. The name of the system is Viral. Well, you create videos with innovative scripts, realistic voiceovers, AI content creation, and long-term consistency will make you tons of money from TikTok creativity program. This looks amazing. And it works. But there is a problem. TikTok creativity program is not available in all countries, only in US and in UK. So if you are not in the US or in the UK, yes, of course, most of you are not, then you are not eligible for this program. However, there is a magical solution shared in this video, and I'm going to tell you that in a moment. Plus, I'm going to tell you how you can save your time, money, and disappointment. Stay tuned. And if you want to know how we can help beginners build AI-based business, then check the link in description or in the bio if you're watching from Instagram. The first one in the list is video creation.
They're posting simple videos that literally take no more than 15 minutes to make, and it's all done with AI. In this video, I'll reveal my exact formula I use to get results like this.
Okay, anyone can show money. I'm not falling for that. The next thing is about TikTok monetization setup, which is a secret strategy, and we will talk about it later because this will make you greedy and you will end up not watching this full video. The next one in the list is innovative scripts.
Probably 90% of the reason for whether your video will perform well or not. It doesn't matter if you have the greatest editing on the planet. Your video won't get any views unless you have a good script.
For example, if my video script is not good, you'll probably not watch. Am I right?
Most creators will BS you into thinking you can create a good script with ChatGPT, which is just not the case.
Well, it will try to sell you another software, but you don't need it. In fact, ChatGPT is good enough if you know how to use it. There is another video in my channel about how I wrote a 7,000 words book in just 28 minutes. In summary, ChatGPT can do wonders. The instructions are right. The next one in the list is realistic audio or voiceover.
There are tons of text-to-speech softwares out there, so you can really go with anyone you like. I'll go with 11 Labs since it's free and in my opinion has the most realistic voices.
Yes, realistic voices, it's true. But the more important truth is that AI is not free. Never. It can't be. AI itself is expensive. Look at this. When you go to 11 Labs, you can get 10,000 credits per month, which is 10 minutes audio. It can be 10 short videos or one long video. Is it enough? Absolutely not to get traction from social media. Okay, when you are planning to use faceless video, it is simply expensive. It's not cheap, not free. Even ChatGPT is not 100% free. To get the best advantage from ChatGPT and use it continuously, you have to pay their monthly fees. The next in the list is AI visual content generation.
It's time to create our visuals. You can't just steal real anime movie clips since TikTok probably won't monetize it. Instead, we're going to create our own anime clips.
That is true about TikTok. People tried, but they simply failed. So don't even try.
This is also kind of a new edge on the niche since people haven't really seen it much before. We can actually create it with this crazy AI software I found a while ago. I've actually never seen other creators talk about this, so listen up. The software is called Pika. It's basically an AI that lets you design your own anime clips with just a short text prompt.
Yeah, that is right. Take notes. It's called Pika. And Pika actually does a really good job. Look at some of the visuals. It's great for cartoon type or anime type video creations. But again, Pika is not cheap. You have to pay monthly or annual recurring fees only for credits. Now, once you try different videos, don't like them, you try another one, these credits will be used up and you eventually end up paying more, while there is no guarantee that you're going to earn money from this. Okay, I'm not being negative here. I'm just telling you the truth because you came here to learn how to make money. After making these videos, you have to use a software like CapCut to basically edit your final video. You gotta put your Pika clips plus your AI generated audio together, render to make your final video. And the last one right here is a long-term consistency. You have to keep doing this every single day without failing, and probably 3 to 5 videos per day. I will
just let Mr. Beast explain to you how it works.
Your first video is not going to get views, period. It's not. Your first 10 are not going to get views. I can very confidently say that. Make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking.
So for 100 to 101 videos, you have to use these paid applications and hours of time to write your script, make your anime videos, put voiceovers, pay the prices, and then you can expect something might happen. And something may not happen either. You might be asking, why am I being negative here? Because in this system, you're completely dependent on this little secret. As I told you, that TikTok creators program only works in the US and in the UK. So if you don't have this secret, you are done, baby. You're not gonna make any money from these videos. So in this video, they shared this website that sells ready-made, monetized TikTok accounts that you can run from any country, even if you're not in the US or UK. There are already 10,000 followers. The accounts are activated, approved. You can just click the buy button, pay their $200, receive the account, and start cashing in. Literally push button money system. But whenever someone gives you a shortcut idea or a push button solution to a big problem, I become a little skeptical. So I went to Trustpilot and looked at some reviews. And to be honest, it looked correct to me. I have grown multiple TikTok accounts, including this account with 288,000 followers. It's almost nearly impossible to grow a TikTok account and get quickly 10,000 followers, get approved for monetization, still get away with making a lot of money. Even if you can get away, TikTok can ask for your identity anytime they want. And when they see the account is US or UK based, but you are not, then there is a high chance that you will lose this account. So here is what happened to this reviewer. He got an account and all the 10,000 followers were Pakistanis. No problem with Pakistanis. But when you upload a video, those Pakistani people will watch your videos first. But as you are uploading English videos to serve US and UK viewers, Pakistani people will not watch the English videos. So the algorithm will see that your videos are not good enough. So they will keep flopping, will not get views and not make money. Now you probably understand why I have always been negative about this whole thing, because it felt like shortcut. Shortcut is bad for your wallet. So don't fall for this. These kind of ideas are utter garbage. I want to thank this video and this video creator for giving us an idea, but it's always our job to verify and validate before we invest our money, and most importantly, invest our time and effort on something. That being said, short videos get us tons of traffic, leads, and sales. All the traffic you see in this Warrior Plus account came from short videos and social media. And from every visitor on the average, we made $4. So again, on the average, from purchases, of course. So when some of these people purchased our offers or products, we made money, and from the average, we know that every visitor equals minimum $4 for us. Sometimes it's $6 and even $8, which means if the visitor value is $4, in order to make $40,000, we just need to send 10,000 visitors to this offer or product. This is called digital marketing, and it can be done by anyone, especially if you are busy, you have a 9 to 5, or you have an existing business. With short videos, you can get traffic, leads, and sales to your existing business, or you can start a digital business or affiliate marketing and make money. So are you interested to start making money using AI and have a real business, completely AI based, from home, without technical knowledge, without selling, without shipping, without even a product? Then check the link below this video or in the description if you're watching from YouTube. There is a complete free training from which you can learn completely. Go ahead, watch the free video. And if you want to learn how to earn $15 per app download, watch this video. And if you want to watch AI Millionaire course review, where a millionaire cloned himself using AI and made millions, then watch this video.